Sachin, this is XUV owner from Mumbai who had a stereo problem and display problem is still there, but I have not sent it to you, or rather we're gonna get a new one or second-hand one from you only. But stereo was not working. It was gone bad for last 2 years, I would say, and everybody gave a random cost which was way above what I would expect for a repair job. And some people told me to put an Android, but I didn't want to put Android for obvious reasons. So finally I was looking for somebody who would repair online, and luckily I found Sachin on YouTube, and I took a chance with him, and frankly speaking, this is not a paid review or anything. He did a great job. In a week's time he sent this box back to me, and I got it fit from my guy who charged around 250 for removing and fitting it back. So it was an awesome thing that he has done, and now everything is working perfectly fine. Yeah. So it's working fine, Sachin. Thanks a lot for this job, yeah.
Sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like